Hey there guys, AndrewCraft here with another modding tutorial. We we left off last time working on a method called public block type, get type of block, and I realized there was a problem in that method after typing it. So I found the problem, and it was just a really simple capitalization problem. Right here on of, I didn't capitalize the O, and that will fix the problem for the block type method. Next, after we do the block type method, we are going to go to type public packet. Oh wait, that's a capital P. Packet, and then get description packet, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, and then Control Shift O, and we are going to import net.minecraft.network.packet, or maybe it was the other packet. Oh wait, no, never mind. It's just because I haven't added the return statement. And then we are going to grab the NBT tag compound, tag compound, and then I'm just going to call it tag equals new NBT tag compound. Okay. I'm just going to Control Shift O to auto import. Next, we are going to write to NBT, and then we're just going to call it tag. And then after that, we are going to return new S35 packets update what is it? Oh duh, tile entity. Update tile entity. There we go. And then we are going to Control Shift O, import S35 tile entity. Now we are going to move down to another method called public void on data packets. And we are going to give it a few parameters. Network manager, and we are just going to call it manager, and then we are going to grab S35 tile update tile entity and just call it packets, and then we're going to Control Shift O to import network manager. Then we are going to put read from NBT, and we're going to put packet dot func what is it? Func underscore 14857 underscore G. There we go. And then that's that method done. And then we are going to do public void write to NBT, and we're gonna grab the NBT tag compound again. So I'm just gonna grab it from up here because I am a very lazy typer, and I'm just gonna call it tag. Okay, we are almost done with the tile entity class. Then we're going to do super dot write to MBT, and then tag. After that, we are going to do energy bar dot write to MBT tag, and then we are going to do tag dot tag dot set integer and the first one is going to be rotation, and rotation again. Okay, the next one is going to be tag dot set integer smelt status, smelt status, and smelt status again. After that, we're going to do the MBT util dot utile. Wait. Oh, that's why. NBT util. MBT util. MBT. Question is, have we created the MBT utilities yet? Yep, we did. Alright, NBT util dot, there it goes, dot write item stack to array to MBT, inventory and tag, and then one last method is public void read from NBT tag compound and tag super dot read from NBT and tag and then energy bar dot read from MBT tag, and then rotation equals rotation equals tag dot get integer and rotation and smelt status equals tag dot get integer and an integer of smelt status. Okay. Now we are going to go to the MBT util dot read from MBT inventory and tag, and now we are 100% done with the Talenti electric furnace. Let's see how good we're doing on time. Okay, we have time. So we are going to go to the common proxy, and we are just going to, here, let's just close iEnergy. Let's go to the common proxy. Where is it? Proxy, common proxy. We are going to add the furnace to the proxies. Okay, so we're gonna go game registry, game registry dot register tile entity, and it's going to be tile entity electric furnace dot class, and then reference dot mod dot mod, okay, whatever, mod underscore ID plus here, let's get that out of the way. Plus electric you know what? Yeah, let's call it electric furnace. Okay. There we go. Let's Control-Shift-O, import it. Okay. So it's added to the registry. Now we get to do the fun part. Now when I say fun, I don't mean fun. We are going to add the GUI and the container class for the block. So first we're going to add the container. So we're going to create a new class, call it container. Container electric furnace. Alright, so it's going to be container electric furnace, and then we are going to add a few things. First thing is it's going to extends container, and then we're going to Control-Shift-O, import container, or not. Oh, that's why. Alright. And then we are going to add a few methods. So we're going to put public final entity player is player. Oops. And then we're going to do public final world. Oops. And then we're going to do public final int x And then I'm just going to copy this because I'm lazy. And then X, Y, Z. And then we are going to go public tile entity electric furnace and tile entity. And then we are going to do public static final int input equals 1 comma space, or wait, equals 0 comma space, and then output equals 1. There we go. Now we're gonna go Control Shift O, import everything. There we go. Now these will all give us errors until we initialize them, which we are going to initialize right now. So let's just copy this. Alright, so we're gonna go public container electric furnace, and then we're gonna give it entity player player world int x int y int y int z. There we go. Now we're gonna do this dot player equals player. This dot world equals world. This dot x equals x. This dot y equals y. This dot z equals z. And do not ask me why I say x, y, but then for z I say z. I've always done it. And then this dot tile entity equals, we're going to cast tile entity electric furnace, and then we're going to do world dot get tile entity x y z, or z, whatever. There we go. So now we initialized everything. One last thing is we're going to put a thing in here called update slots. Okay, and that's gonna be for later. Okay. Check how good we're doing on time real quick. Okay, coming along 20 minutes. So, we will do one more method, and it's going to be public boolean can interact with, and we're going to put entity player and then player, and then we're going to return tile entity dot is usable by player and player. There we go. And that's all we're going to do for now. On the next tutorial, we will start the update slots method. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more. Peace.